In this video, I will share with you 3 simple steps that you need to take to master AI in 2025. And this tutorial is actually full of practical tips from person that is over 2 years in AI field for now. So the first step that I consider the most important is to pick one AI tool that you like the most. I recommend you to go over to the internet, go over to the YouTube, watch free materials. Obviously on this channel you have a lot of great tutorials. And there just find the tool that you like the most, that you enjoy the most. It may be, for example, Midjourney, some tool for creating AI art, some graphics, AI videos. Maybe you would like to master some tool for AI automations. So what happens now when you pick some AI tool? You go over, you learn it, you enjoy the entire process, and most importantly, you start, because most people, as we know, above 90% people are just setting their goals and they are not kind of following that. So for me, the first step would be to take one tool that I really enjoy. So connect two important things, learning and kind of fun. And what happens afterwards? When you master one tool and you would like to learn it, then other tools are very similar to use, kind of very familiar. You can go over when you master, for instance, Midjourney, you can go over use DALL-E, it's kind of really the same. You can use Leonardo AI and more. So first of all, pick one tool that you enjoy the most and you would like to learn it. The second important step is to learn as much as you can. Go over on YouTube, watch free tutorials, maybe buy some cheap course on Udemy. So actually I would recommend you to learn as much as you can about the tool, because afterwards, after you learn a lot, you will master it. Then you've got wide range of possibilities. You can go over, you can learn other tools. So first things first, this is the most important, to master one tool, and then actually you've got different paths for learning other tools. Because I can say they are very similar. So if you learn, for instance, ChatGPT, then you go over and you can use Cloud AI. You can go over use Google Gemini. They are very kind of similar in use. So this is the entire magic. When you start, afterwards it's becoming easier. However, this is the most important, to learn the tool as much as you can, especially when you are starting your journey with AI. This is very, very important. Again, it's becoming easier when you learn new things, you see new possibilities, and kind of when you learn one tool, you know, okay, I know this tool, it's easy, it's not that hard, so we can go further and further. The third step is to implement the knowledge. And now it becomes very interesting, because you are very familiar with the tool. You can do a lot of stuff with that. And now kind of you need to just train it and actually test it out in real life. So in general, as a side effect, you can earn money. Because, for instance, let's say you want to learn Midjourney. You actually are very familiar with this application. And now, as the third step, you need to implement that. So, for instance, you can create stock photography to sell. You can create some products. So, for example, you can create 20 images, combine them together into one file, create the thumbnail, and boom, you've got actually the product ready to sell. And I think it's kind of great opportunity, because not only you will learn how to use actually this tool to perfection, however, as a side effect, you will make some money. Like, the main purpose is, of course, not to make money, but to test it out, to see how you perform. Actually, if you do everything great, if you can, for example, like create specific content. So yeah, third step is to actually implement the knowledge. Again, a side effect is kind of making money. And I think this is the beauty of actually training and learning new things, and especially AI. Because with the AI nowadays, you can create a lot of great stuff and instantly sell that. For example, AI books, you can go over, create illustrations with the Midjourney, other AI tool, you can go over, open ChatGPT, create curriculum. Then, as I said, you can go over, create stock photography. You can go over and, for instance, create items for print on demand, and so on and so on. So the possibilities are great, and kind of please do this, because AI is becoming very popular, it's changing our world, and I think with these 3 steps you can become very successful in learning new tools and generally starting with AI. So that we have it. That's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, it was helpful for you. Remember to leave the like for the YouTube algorithm, click the subscribe button, it's very important. Again, I hope you found it helpful. So these were my 3 kind of steps to learn AI in 2025. I'm sure it works because actually this is how I started. I'm generally at the beginning, I wanted just to create beautiful images. Afterwards, when I learned actually Midjourney, I created some products. I went into this educational content actually space. And now I'm recording the videos for you about AI tools. So that's how my journey went, and for sure for you, actually this is the process that you should follow actually to master AI in 2025. Thank you for watching this video, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.